The new VX.2.11 release of Xpedition's advanced IC packaging design tools delivers a powerful collection of new capabilities to the designer's desktop that improve product usability and accelerate design. Auto-color pin regions and apply user-defined region usage identification during device creation. Ability to select nets that span devices and substrate level and export entire system level path for SI and PI analysis. Multi-axis measurement between pin regions and device bumps helps minimize floor plan area. Data path planning in XSI provides more accuracy during route flow planning. Substrate Integrator enables package designers to construct complex floor plan components hierarchically. System Verilog integration import capabilities simplify the creation of devices and establish connectivity. Adjacent layer outgassing voids insertion now respects adjacent layer object. Advanced via stitching for ground shielding on phase-tuned differential pairs helps reduce signal return loss. Major improvements to XSI unified floor plan architecture dramatically reduces planning time. With new features across Xpedition's IC packaging design flow, the VX.2.11 release addresses the IC packaging challenges faced in today's emerging technologies.